This is the low pressure that's given us the snow, and it's moving in almost the exact same path that the blizzard of '93 took. Now, don't get worried. This is a much weaker storm, but it's the same path, and that's what's creating all of our snow, and it's a perfect path for snow for us. Mid-90s Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and even into next Tuesday, with the heat index climbing to at least 100 degrees. Now, the winds are out of the northwest at 3, clouds all over the place. The fog has been miserable today. Looking at our radar right now, this looks pretty intense, but it's really not. There are some pretty hefty showers just north of Trenton all the way to about Wildwood and Dade County. All right, we've got all the snow totals from the Sky Watchers, the estimates from our snow machine, and the 7-day forecast. It's all coming up. Don't go away. But look at the amounts of rain that Vipercast is painting right now. This doesn't necessarily mean Dalton is going to have 3.5 inches of rain, because this little area yellow could be further to the east or further to the west. But 1 to 3 inches is more than likely across the Tennessee Valley coming up over the next 48 hours.
And Paul Barris joins us in our Storm Alert Center with the answers. Paul, the big thing is the worst part over.
No, it's not. Still more rain is falling, and some places it's freezing rain. Right in the metro area, right in the middle of the city, just plain rain. Boy, it's rough today.
Boy, it was.
The sky was lighting up. Thousands of lightning strokes hitting the ground around here. Every time we see there's a report of a house on fire because of lightning, I'm shocked there's not more with all the lightning strikes that happen.
And how few of us have lightning rods.
Yeah,
We're told the importance
of
that.
Some myself.
Yeah, no kidding. Look.
Total amounts of rain out of this, Vipercast pretty aggressive on it, saying up to 1/4 to maybe an inch of rain in spots. I think more 1/4 to about 1/3 of an inch of rain is more than likely. We got a very warm weather pattern, as you probably well know, because we've been talking about it for the past week or so. We got the big jet stream doing a dip over the west, keeping it cool out there, but temperatures 20 to 30 degrees above normal over the eastern half of the country. This is just remarkable stuff. This is coming up on Christmas Eve. Then as the day progresses, this is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, the rain really starts to move in, probably after 11 o'clock in the morning, and spreading all over the place. Possibility for a thunderstorm at times, but mainly rain. Then we get to about 5 o'clock, the chance for thunderstorms really starts to increase, especially south of the city and east of Chattanooga. Well, let's take a look right now at the Storm Alert snow machine. And we got snow all across the Tennessee Valley as of right now. Still, we'll have snow here, but it should start to lighten up. And then coming up at around 4 o'clock in the morning, the snow should be out of Hamilton County, pushing through our eastern counties into North Carolina, then scooting off to the north and east. So by 5 o'clock Thursday afternoon, it's pretty much over with, except for some of the Blue Ridge, maybe a flurry or two, possibly even across the valley, but generally nothing much and no accumulation. This is the final bet. We've had to up it, folks. I admit that I didn't think we were going to get that much. I thought we were going to get a little less than this, but 3 to 6 north, 7 to 10 south, isolated spots, could see, especially in the mountain areas, maybe up to 1 foot of snow. Wouldn't be impossible. These tremendous amounts of lightning with this lightning strokes hitting the ground so far, getting over 1,000, 1,100 in this whole viewing area right here in the past 10 minutes. That's remarkable. A lot of lightning out of this system. Now looking at the satellite photo, there's a little hole in the clouds which is destabilizing the atmosphere a little bit. When the sun comes out for a while, that makes things more unstable, and that's why those thunderstorms out to the west are much worse than the ones out to the east so far. Humidity very high, 65, 61, the overnight low, 4 degrees spread. Normal low is 31, so we're 30 degrees above normal. Normal high is about 50, 51. Now, as of 7 o'clock Friday, that's Christmas Day, the heaviest rain, 2 to 4 inches south and east of Chattanooga, probably 1.5 inches to less than an inch to the north and west of the city. Christmas Day, 73, but an excellent chance for some more rain. And then record-setting temperatures are possible, and Saturday and Sunday we could get into the mid-70s. That's going to smash the records. And then late Monday and early Tuesday we'll get another round of showers, maybe some thunderstorms coming in then. But tonight there is the potential for severe weather, especially west of Chattanooga into the Cumberland Plateau. Worst of the weather will hit probably, definitely after midnight, more than likely around 2 o'clock in the morning. So we'll be with you all night long if we have to.
So if you have a rude awakening, turn on Channel 3.
That's
We'll
right.
have it for you.
Thanks, Paul.
Okay.